Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Urdu Abbey. Let's start our video. On this day in 1947, Pakistan became the world's first Islamic republic when it gained independence from British rule. Independence Day is Pakistan National Day and is celebrated annually on 14 August. Pakistan had been part of colonial India since in 18th century, firstly as a part of the East Indian Company and then a part of British Indian Empire. In 1947, the Act of Independence created the Dominion of Pakistan, which covered two different geographic areas down at the east and the west Pakistan. In 1971, following the Bangladesh and Liberian wars, East Pakistan part from West Pakistan became Bangladesh. How is Pakistan Independence Day celebrated? This day is an occasion to promote patriotism and national unity, and its observed is much the same way as Pakistan Day. The day will start with a 31-gun salute in the federal and 21-gun salute in the provincial capitals. In Islamabad at 9:59 am, a siren and the traffic will come to a standstill for 1 minute. Then the president will raise the national flag accompanied by the national anthem. The president will then address the nation on the occasion. At the end, subscribe, share and like my video.